dito sa ating left. Again, sa left po, dyan, dyan po ang pila. 10 years po sa right. Again, 10 years po sa right. And then, sa left side po, the regular employees. Thank you so much. And this time, I think it's time for us to hear the closing remarks coming from our general manager. And please be quiet. Let's all welcome, let's give a big round of applause to Dr. Lourdes Diaz.
Good evening, everyone. On behalf of the Connectrix Regional Center, I would like to thank each and everyone for making this momentous occasion. And I would also like to thank our generous sponsors, ang ating mga doctors, board of directors, hindi ko na kayo isa-isahin, and of course, our suppliers, yung mga nagbibigay ng nagsusupply sa ating mga gamot, supplies, and equipment. Okay, so, wala man sila dito, but nevertheless, we would like to thank you personally when we say them. With this, meron pa part 2, ha? May part 2 pa. So, by the way, we'll stay here up to So, wag masyadong mag-inom, ha? Otherwise, pick up kami ng ambulance. Ang ambulance natin. Para daw sa hindi makadrive dahil medyo may nakainom na. Okay? So, we would not like to repeat that yung nangyari before several years ago, no? Hindi natin gusto mangyari ulit yun. I hope na makaya natin yung mga hindi kaya mag-drive. Hindi talaga mag-drive. Okay? So with this, for my family members, for the weddings, I hope na
Tapos yung driver ng ambulance and lasing.
Merry Christmas to each and everyone.
Thank you so much, Dr. Lourdes Diaz, our